Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Nick Jr. on Firestick step by step clearly. To activate Nick Jr. on your Firestick, start by turning on your Firestick device. From the home screen, navigate to the search icon located at the top left corner. Type Nick Jr. in the search field using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Nick Jr. app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once the app is installed, return to the home screen. Find the Nick Jr. app in your list of installed apps and open it. You will see the activation screen. Take note of the provided activation code displayed on the screen. Now, proceed to a computer or smartphone and open a web browser. Visit the Nick Jr. activation website at www.nickjr.com/activate. Enter the activation code you noted earlier into the designated field. Select your TV provider from the list of options given. Log in with your TV provider credentials when prompted. Once logged in, you should receive a confirmation message. Return to your Firestick where the Nick Jr. app may refresh. You will now have access to all the content available on Nick Jr. Enjoy watching your favorite shows from the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.